Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you the basics of how to apply a vinyl design to a tumbler like this one. You can personalize a tumbler with a name like I did, or really with any kind of design you can think of. Craft vinyl comes in a ridiculous assortment of different colors and patterns and textures, so the possibilities are endless. Whatever vinyl you end up choosing, you want to make sure it's a permanent vinyl and not a removable vinyl. A permanent vinyl is going to give you a more durable and long-lasting design, and many of them are even dishwasher safe. For this tumbler, I used a holographic craft vinyl that reflects green and blue depending on how you look at it. And even though it's a really simple design on just a plain white tumbler, I think the holographic vinyl looks really cool. I cut out the vinyl with my Cricut machine. So today I'm going to show you how to find a font online that you love and how to get that font into Cricut Design Space so that you can cut out the name in whatever font you want. Let's do it!
There are plenty of websites with free fonts, but my favorite one is called fontspace.com. There are thousands and thousands of free fonts, and you can type whatever you want in the text box to preview how it looks in all the different fonts. I decided on this font called Mom Cake in the bold version. You can download these fonts to your computer and add them to Cricut Design Space if you want to use it for many different things. But because I'm only going to use it for this one name, I actually just saved the image of the text preview to my downloads. It saves as a PNG file with a clear background, so when you upload it to Cricut Design Space, you don't even have to clean up the file. This is the blank tumbler I'm applying the vinyl to. I bought it on Shein. It's stainless steel, vacuum sealed, and it came with a reusable straw. I used a measuring tape to figure out the size I wanted the name decal to be, and decided that 6.5 inches would be a great fit. So I resized the design in Cricut Design Space to be 6.5 inches wide, and I'm ready to make the cut. I hit Make It, dragged the name just a little bit farther from the edge, and set the base material to holographic vinyl. I usually like to do more pressure for a nice clean cut. I cut a piece of my holographic vinyl to size and applied it to my standard grip mat. My cat Pickles is watching us. Then I loaded the mat into my machine and started the cut. Once the cut was done, I used my blade tool to remove the excess uncut vinyl and saved it for a future project. Then I weeded the name design with my hook tool. This part wasn't planned, but when I peeled off the surrounding vinyl, I thought it actually looked pretty cool with the name cut out. So I decided to put it on the box that the tumbler came in to make it a more fun, personalized gift box. Then I was extra careful about removing the inner parts of the letters A and put them on the box as well. Isn't that fun? I think it's fun. Anyway, once you have your design weeded, next you need to apply some transfer tape to the design. I use Duck brand clear shelf liner as transfer tape. It works great, it's super affordable, and it comes in a big roll. If you have trouble peeling the backing, a good trick is to use your blade tool to gently slice the corner, making sure to cut only through the backing and not all the way through the tape. Then you can just lift the edge and peel it off. Next, you want to apply the tape to the design and use a scraper or a gift card to apply some pressure across the whole design. Make sure to wipe down the surface of your tumbler with some rubbing alcohol before applying the vinyl. This will remove any dirt or oil and help the vinyl to adhere better. Then you can gently peel the transfer tape and the design should come up with it. If any parts are not lifting off the backing, you want to go back in with your gift card or scraper and apply a little bit more pressure. Applying vinyl to a curved surface can be a bit tricky. I find it easiest to work from the center outwards. The pressure from just your fingers should be enough, but you can also use your scraper or gift card again if you need to. Make sure to press down on every area of the vinyl design. Finally, you want to peel off the transfer tape, and think about peeling across instead of up. You want to keep the tape low and close to the tumbler instead of pulling away from it. Again, if any areas aren't sticking to the tumbler, just go back in with a bit more pressure. And that's all there is to it. This type of tumbler is not dishwasher safe anyway, but if you are looking to make something that can go in the dishwasher, you just want to make sure you do some testing with the vinyl first to make sure it won't come off.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. Thank you for watching. See you later.